Welcome to DataText. Here's a quick tutorial on how to add a question to your AQM question pool. Start by clicking on the AQM icon at the top of the page and then scroll down to the Setup menu. Click on the Question Pool button. On the Question Pool page, you'll be able to see where you can add a new question and maintain categories. The categories that are already created will appear on the list below. Categories are created to group together questions with a similar topic. To add a new question or a new category, click on the Add New Questions button at the top. At the top of the page, there is a drop-down menu for the different categories. If you would like to add a new category for your question, simply click on the plus button on the right-hand side of the drop-down menu. Type in the name of your new category and click on Save. It will now appear under the drop-down menu. Select the category that you would like your new question to appear in. The question pool is divided into two sections. The first tells the supervisor what the agent should be doing. The second section assists the supervisor in understanding how to review what the agent has done. The script indicates to the supervisor what the agent should be saying. The training guide are notes that will appear if the agent does not score 100%. The question is what the supervisor will answer while doing the review. Instructions are telling supervisors what they need to do to be able to answer the questions. Now you can select the specific answers that will be used for this question. Note that these answers will not be providing a scoring system until it is entered into your templates. There are various different answers that appear on the drop-down list. The first answer that appears on the list will have the highest score, while the last one on the list will have the lowest score. So for instance, in the case of yes, needed attention, no, yes scores 100%, needed attention scores 50%, and no scores 0%. The guidelines to answers provides the person who is doing the review on which answer would be most appropriate for that question. Once you are happy with everything, you can click on Apply and it will save your question. Note that the minimal requirement to create a new question is to have a question filled in as well as possible answers selected. The rest is all optional. You can also edit your questions by using our editable text box. You can change fonts or font sizes and various different other features. On this page, you can see the answers that were provided for this question, as well as the group that the question was created in. Further, what you can do on this page is you can edit this question, you can add a new blank question, you can copy the question, and you can also delete a question. Finally, if you go to Maintain Categories, you are able to change the names of the categories that have already been created. Note that it will only save the changes if you have a tick mark under Modify next to the change that you have made before you click on Apply. That's it for now. Stay tuned for our next one on how to add these questions into your templates.